Enjoy the video. Thank you. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing 10 quick and easy recipes tailored just for you. Busy seniors deserve tasty meals that don't take all day to prepare. So here we go. First, let's try the classic avocado toast. Simply mash a ripe avocado, spread it over whole grain bread, and sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a dash of lemon juice. Next, a yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt, your favorite berries, and a sprinkle of granola for a refreshing treat. For something savory, try a cheese and cucumber sandwich. Use whole grain bread, slice up cucumbers, and add your favorite cheese for a delightful crunch. How about a fruit salad? Mix chopped apples, bananas, and berries. Add a spoonful of honey and a sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. Need a warm option? Instant oatmeal. Choose your favorite, add hot water, and top with some nuts or dried fruit. Moving on, we have a simple egg salad. Hard-boil a couple of eggs, mash them, and mix with a little mayonnaise. Spread on whole grain bread or enjoy on lettuce leaves. For a refreshing option, a smoothie. Blend a banana, a handful of spinach, a spoonful of peanut butter, and some almond milk for a nutritious drink. Now try a veggie wrap. Grab a tortilla, fill it with hummus, sliced carrots, and leafy greens. Roll it up for a quick bite. Feeling like a snack? Cheese and crackers. Pair your favorite cheese with whole grain crackers and grapes for a balanced plate. Lastly, indulge in a peanut butter banana toast. Spread peanut butter on whole grain toast, top with banana slices, and sprinkle a little cinnamon on top. These recipes are not only quick but also nourishing, helping you stay healthy and satisfied. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes and tips. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and enjoy your meals. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube. They are Short Bible Stories, Hard Biblical Questions, and Senior Life Simplified. Please check them out. I think you will like them. Thank you, and God bless.